Hey guys, I'm back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're doing the unboxing of the new Wiko Ride 2. So I actually picked this phone up at Walmart, and you won't believe how much I paid for this thing. I actually have the receipt right here, but I paid $35 for this phone, guys, which is actually a really good deal. Like I said, I found it at Walmart for $35, which is not bad at all. But I actually have the Wiko Ride 1, so this is kind of cool that, now there's the second one. And I saw it at Walmart for 35 bucks. This is definitely going to be on the very budget side. So this is very good for, kids going back to school, maybe a first phone, or even your grandparents, or your parents, depending on how old you are, to have just a phone, something kind of like a throwaway phone as well. So you don't have to really worry about it. So this phone I'm probably going to let my son use just because he watches a lot of YouTube. So if he would crack the phone or something like that, I wouldn't be too mad since it's only $35 compared to something like $1,000 or something. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. Like I said, this is the Wiko Ride 2. So Boost Mobile says unlimited data, talk, and text. And here is the Wiko Ride 2. I know a lot of people don't even know about this company, but let's get into it. And I'm talking about Wiko Ride. Now, what's cool about this is going to be the cheapest entry-level phone where you can access the expanded data network. What that, of course, means is you can access T-Mobile's network and use, their coverage since, Sprint got shut down. So let's see some of the specs. It says a 5.45-inch HD plus touchscreen display. Like I said, you will probably get a max 720. So talk time up to 15 hours. You have, wow, for this price, guys, I'm very surprised. You get 32 gigs of internal storage, 2 gigs of RAM. Yeah, 2 gigs of RAM is a little bit low, but like I said, you're definitely not going to be doing anything crazy on this phone like multitasking or really hardcore gaming. We'll test some of that out later on, but it does have a 2.0 gigahertz quad core processor, so not octa-core or anything, but it should be fine enough. And here's a picture of the phone just so you guys can see it there. Of course, this is what the box looks like. So you guys can just take a look at that real quick. And then the back, of course, there's a little bit more information here. Like I said, 5.45 HD plus touchscreen display. This does have a 2500 milliamp battery, guys. So that is, I would say, on the smaller side. Talk time up to 15 hours. You do have a 8 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel front facing camera, 2.0 gigahertz quad core processor, 32 gigs of internal storage, 2 gigs of RAM. Does have Android 10, which is very nice, of course. 4G LTE, of course, and it's very easy. Just pick a plan, activate, and then you pay the money. So let's get into it, guys, and see what's in the phone, what we get with it. Like I said, it's not going to be anything that's going to really wow us or anything, but alright, guys, so now that I got it open, as you can see after a while, I mean, they really do a good job with the whole glue and everything. Let's check it out and see what we get inside the phone. So let's do this kind of slow-mo and see what we get. Whoops. Let's see how I can do this. There we go. So check it out. Wow. Pretty cool. So as you can see, there's the phone, guys. Let me put this box over here. So, wow. Very nice phone. It's definitely black on black edition right here, I would call it. So as you can see, it looks definitely black and black, which is pretty cool. Wiko Ride 2. And then I do like this blue accent here. It's like a teal, it's like Tiffany blue almost. As you can see, Wiko Ride 2. And then the back, same thing. You just have some more of the specs on the back. See if it can focus. Should be fine, but same specs. Like I said, this is an 18:9 format, 5.45-inch display, HD. So I do like here that actually gives you the specs. It's a 1440 by 720, so like I said, 720p HD screen. So video quality will be capped at 720. 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel selfie, 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of internal storage, a quad core processor there. So let's go ahead and pop this open. Alright, guys, so now that we have it open, let's check it out. So first, let's see what we'll get in the box. So you do get a charger, of course. This is going to be a micro, so no Type-C or anything like that. Like I said, it's definitely a micro. Pretty cool. I mean, the cable's a little weird, it's a little thick, but it also looks a little short, but hey. And of course, here's the charging brick. Just super standard, doesn't even have any writing on it, so very cheap. Oh, there's the writing down here. As you can see some of that info there, but it's normal stuff. Let's actually get to the phone now. Let's see if there's anything down here. And voila, guys, there's actually something hidden, this little hidden compartment, which I kind of do like. There's a safety and warranty guide and everything like that. And then the battery is in here. So that's pretty cool. I do like that, you know, they kind of have a little hidden compartment. So let's open up the battery. And it's a pretty big battery for only being, you know, 2,500 milliamps. So there's the information there if you guys want to see it. And here is the phone, guys. Wow. Pretty cool. Like I said, very shiny. You do have a flash, then your front facing camera right here. You do get your earpiece right there. Let me put this box to the side. So very cool design. On the left side, you don't have anything. On the right side, you do have your volume up, volume down, and the power button. And then on the back, here it is, guys. The Wiko Ride 2. So like I said, it's supposed to be an improved version of the first one. You do have a back speaker, so just, you know, it's pretty cool. Now, it's not black, it's actually like a blue. I kind of do like the color of this, pretty cool. And also, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's actually a plastic piece on the rear camera, which is, you usually don't see that, but it's kind of nice to have that actually added protection. There you go. So, pretty cool, actually. So you can see, there it is, guys. All right. So let's pop open the back and pop this battery. Oh, and as you can see, that's where the charging is. And you do have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack in the back as well. So let's just see how to take off the battery on this thing. Oh, wow. This is definitely different. I don't know if you can see it, but there's actually they haven't done that in a while. So that's why it was a little hard to find, but that's how you pop your nail there in the little corner and you get this back off. So there it is. It does have a micro SD card slot and your SIM card is right there, of course. So let's pop it open, guys, and turn it on and get to it and see what this phone actually has inside. So I'll be back once this is done. Alright, guys, so now that it's done, as you can see, here it is in all its glory. So it's pretty cool. I do kind of like that once it focuses. There you go. That it actually is pretty cool. It has this Boost Mobile logo, wallpaper, which I haven't seen in a while. So it's pretty nice to actually see something like this. So pretty cool. Whoops, didn't want to click that. So let's get out of here. All right, guys. So once we scroll this down, we'll see that we do have the Wi-Fi. Whoops. Let's see. There we go. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, do not disturb, flashlight. So let's see how it is. So it's, I would say, decently bright. We do have the auto rotate, battery saver, mobile data, airplane mode, screencast, which is pretty nice. That's really about it. Let's get into the settings and see how much storage we actually have. So as you can see, there it is, guys. Storage 23% used. We have 24.57 gigabytes free. So in total used, the system uses 7.43 gigabytes. So we have, like I said, about 23% used already. And then of course, once we go about, we'll see which version of Android we're at. And it should say, there it is, Android version 10. So pretty cool. So far so good. Let's check out the camera real quick. All right, so it autofocuses pretty quick. It actually looks decently, and remember, this is at nighttime. It's about, what I would say, 9 o'clock at night. So for this image to look kind of this clear, it's pretty nice. Let's look at the video. The video, for some reason, well, you'll have to wait till the video review on that and the camera test so you can find out more, guys. But overall, I think it's good. Let's see the selfie camera. So there's the selfie camera right there. Yeah, I do look pretty dark here, so it doesn't do that good with low light. But you know, I do have this really bright light behind me, so maybe that's what it is. So, and then the camera as well, um, does have HDR as well, guys. But like I said, we'll see that more in like the camera test. But overall, I think it's decent for a lot of people, and like I said, for about $35, you can't really go wrong with this phone, you know. So not bad at all. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below. Would you buy this for $35, and who would you buy it for? And like I said, you can use this on the new expanded data network, so that's a plus as well. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you.